Yo, what's up? Good morning. So for our day 3 here in Dumaguete, we just have a quick breakfast and then we'll go to church sa ilahang cathedral, St. Catherine of Alexandria, and then we'll visit some park, Quezon Park, and I think that's about it. We'll just see what we can look around and also we'll check some good restaurants later. So let's go. Breakfast for our day 3 breakfast. Plaza, Quezon Plaza, and at baang kay ang Cathedral and ang iconic bell tower. Muna ang sulod sa St. Catherine of Alexandria Cathedral Church. This is the oldest church in Negros Oriental. Stone church niya siya. Muna ang old church. And ang bell tower na lang ang I think visible na original pa of the church before. Stone church. Muna ang bell tower, tapad lang sa cathedral. There. So muna ang bell tower. Hilid lang siya sa cathedral ganyan. So tawag siya na the Campanario de Dumaguete. So it's the bell tower. So natin ito ay ang history. Anong matahon? The Campanario de Dumaguete was built upon one of the 4 original massive watchtowers that parish priest Don Jose Manuel Fernandez de Septien built in the 1760s to discourage the Moros from pillaging the town. The 2 layers, which are now known as the Bell Tower or the Campanario, were added during the administration of Fray Juan Felix de la Encarnacion in 1867. So next stop na to kay ang ilang plaza, Quezon Plaza. So atbang lang ni sa cathedral, sa St. Catherine, na plaza, and atong tanawon sa ina sa plaza. Let's go. So human ninyo simpa sa St. Catherine, atbang is the plaza, Quezon Plaza. So, if ganahan mo mag picture-picture o magpahangin, at bang lang yun, walking distance, kita man, you can see the church behind me. Kita ba? There, para makita ang church na sa likod. And let's see asa pwede mag picture-picture. I think nindot nila, it's like a clock tower. Ako ipakita ninyo. Center sa plaza na ay it's like a clock tower. Kita ninyo. So I think okay siya for Instagram. Instagrammable ba? Ug napoy balete ganahan mo, but di lang naka videohan. So let's go. Let's take some pictures aning background, the clock tower. Let's see kung okay ba. Let's go. So this is Maria Clara Ben hayas tuki no te hasde, estemegar en tu tumba, oyende el grito de los que organizan en sombras, de los que se sienten con a las 6 y están escane de los por falta de libertad. So wala ko kasabot unsa to, but I presume that it's Spanish there. And actually clock, so I think it tells a story. It says there Silliman University Philippine Standard Time DOST, but it's not working. So mag selfie lang taan eh. Let's take a selfie. So sa likod ni Maria Clara na si Jose Rizal atong atuon. Let's go. Painit kita so that you will see Jose Rizal in Dumaguete. So ni the city of Dumaguete official seal, and na si atong idol si Jose Rizal there. So na story si Jose Rizal ani sa Dumaguete. So nagwakas ang pagkakatapon ni Rizal sa dapitan Mindanao ng pahintulutang manilbihan bilang Selohano sa hukbong Espanyol sa Cuba. Nilisan ang dapitan patungong Maynila kasama sina Josephine Bracken, ang kapatid na si Narcisa at iba pa, lulan ng barkong Espanya hating gabi ng ika-31 ng Hulyo 1896. Pansamantalang tumigil sa Dumaguete ang barko, bukang liwayway. Ika-1 ng Agosto dito nakipagkita si Rizal kina Gobernador Emilio Regal, punong lalawigan ng Negros Oriental, at Faustino Herrero, Regidor, dating kamag-aral. Kinahapunan, inopera sa mata ang kapitan ng konstabularyo ng lalawigan. Nilisan ang Dumaguete muling sakay ng Espanya ika-10 ng gabi ng araw ring iyon. So same day, so dumaan lang saglit si Rizal dito sa Dumaguete, and then umalis din siya kaagad. So we have here the monument of Jose Rizal, our national hero.